at 11, a stormy start to the week. Heavy rain flooding streets in Hollywood. The strong storms also throwing tree branches around in a neighborhood in Miami Gardens, leaving them right in front of people's yards. And take a look at this, a carport crumbling because of the winds. Good evening, I'm Lauren Pastrana, CBS News Miami's Nikiya Carrero is your reporter live in Miami Gardens with a look at the aftermath tonight. Nikiya?
That's right, Lauren. When we got to this neighborhood, we watched as people walked around picking up the mess, the debris left behind by these storms, and it's damaged like this carport right behind me. We're going to show you right now that is completely mangled as a result of this storm. As you can see, it is completely off, and the pieces of this carport are now laying in the front yard. The aluminum roof crumpled by the storms that rolled through.
I've never seen anything like it.
Helene Giles lives off Northwest 26th Avenue and 156th Street, one of many residents left to pick up the pieces after the storm. The carport her father built decades ago, mangled by strong winds.
I saw parts flying over the top of the cars going down the street. I just couldn't believe it.
Throughout her neighborhood, people dragged branches off their properties, cleaning up. Farther north, in Hollywood, residents dealt with flooding. Chopper 4 flew over Dewey Street right after the rain stopped. From Dewey to Washington Street, waves of water splashed into the air as drivers made their way through. One resident tells me anytime it rains, people are forced to stay inside.
Every time it rains or anytime we have storms or heavy hurricanes, we're all kind of secluded to our houses because none of the neighbors can ever go outside or basically drive. It's we don't want to take the risk.
Other residents say while the flooding recedes fairly quickly, the aftermath is another challenge.
The cleanup afterwards, you just find all this debris everywhere. And I'm out walking the dog. It's okay, where can I walk?
Now you can see that carport is completely on one side. Well, what's left of it, the woman who owns this home says relatives will be over tomorrow to help pick up the pieces and help her clean up her yard after what was left behind by this storm. Reporting live in Miami Gardens, Nikiya Carrero, CBS News, Miami.